Hello students, I welcome to my YouTube channel where I am going to test today what is projectile motion. So in this topic we are going to learn about projectile motion and trajectory. This is the part of motion in a plane. So if you are learning motion in plane, then definitely this topic you need to understand and cover. So let us come into our topic. What is projectile motion? A projectile motion is the name given to any body which once thrown into space with some initial velocity moves thereafter under the influence of gravity alone without being propelled by any engine or fuel. So let us understand what is the definition is saying. What definition is saying? So suppose we have a body, we have this body, and let us throw this body into space. I have thrown this body into space. This body has done projectile motion, is it? Let us check. The definition is saying the body is thrown into space, the body has thrown into space, the body has been thrown into space, okay. Next is its initial velocity with some initial velocity. Definitely I have given some initial velocity to this body, but what happens then? After certain time and certain height, the initial velocity get vanished. What happens then after? Then when initial velocity get vanished, then after that the body moves under the influence of gravity. Is it? Let us check. The body reached this height and then started downfalling under the influence of gravity. So and there is no fuel which we have invested on this body to make it fall. Thus just the gravity has done its work and the body started falling. So when we throw a body into space with some initial velocity and the body starts coming down, that is the entire process without any fuel or energy, then external fuel or energy, then this entire motion is known as projectile motion. And the path which this body has made, suppose I have thrown a body, suppose this is the surface from which I have thrown a body to this surface. Suppose we have a ball and there is a child named as A and there is a child B. A child A has thrown the ball to child B and the ball has reached a certain height at which this is the maximum height of the ball, and where the initial velocity which was given by the child is vanished, and now the gravity has done its work and ball is reaching down. This entire motion is known as projectile motion, and the path of the motion of the body is known as the trajectory. The path followed by any projectile is called its trajectory. I hope you have got clarity about these two terms, what is projectile motion and the trajectory. There are more few examples like the javelin throw. You have seen the Neeraj Chopra, the Olympic gold medalist who has made us proud. Okay. So I think you have gotten clarity about projectile motion, and the video is going to be over. Thank you.